Good morning students, this is waris Jamal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and subscribing my channel too. Student, this is my video for class 10th. The topic of my video is advantages of CSS. You can see on my screen I have written some advantages of CSS. The first advantage that I have written is CSS save time. It means, students, CSS save time, it means what? I am giving an example. In CSS you can create only one file at a time of the different formatting styles, of the different formats that you want, and use that file in different HTML document also whenever you are required for. So it make easy to work with the HTML and CSS. Once you have created CSS file, and that can be used multiple times in the different multiple documents, so it saves your time, and it will also help to improve the uploading and downloading file in the web browser very fast. That means the second advantage is page download fast. It means whenever you create a file in HTML, it requires very less code to format the document. So the file size and the code size is become small, and when the file size becomes small, it is easy to upload as well as download. The third advantage is easy to maintain. For example, you have created 10 different web pages and you have applied the same formatting style. You no need to go on the different 10 web pages. You just only go to the CSS page and do their modification, and it will be appear in all the 10 pages as your requirement. Whatever the modification you have done, your modification done in only one page, and that effect is shown in the different pages. So it make the working and the maintenance of the web page is very easy. And the next is superior style to HTML. Students, HTML has very less features of formatting as compared to the features that is available in CSS. So CSS has superior style of formatting. For example, if you want to apply a border, in HTML paragraph or a table, you cannot give the border style like you want to give the border style like dash, like dotted, cast. Different styles are there, but in the HTML there is a limited options of formatting, but in the case of the CSS they have a lot of formatting features available. Formatting options are available, so that help you to make your document very easily, very easy and very attractive to the other users. The next advantage is it supports multiple device. That means multiple device compatibility. So it means that it is the device, the code of the HTML, and the code of the CSS, the combined together, and that is supported by the different pages, different types of devices. That means you can open the page by the help of computer, by the help of the laptop, by the help of the pad, by the help of the your smartphone. These codes are supported by all the web browsers and all the various devices. So it is very popular nowadays. These are gaining more popularity and providing more because of their providing more features. That's why they are popular. So you can see the page on your web page, on your mobile phone, on your tablet, on your desktop, on your laptop, each and everything devices, you can see the same effect on each devices. It will not display the same, it will not display the different way, it will not give any error of supporting the file on various devices. It is compatible of different devices. The next is global standard. Global standard means the HTML and the CSS code is recognized worldwide. Globally it is recognized. It is supported by all the web browsers that are present in nowadays. So whatever the company or whatever the country has created their own web browser, that is supported by the CSS and HTML. So you can say it is globally standard and it is supported by all over the web browser. The last point of the advantages that I am going to discuss in my this session is about the offline browsing. The CSS allow us to view the page, view the content of the page either online or offline, in both in the most of the cases when you are downloading the page and some formatting style is not appearing, some formatting are deleted, it will not show the effect. So in the case of CSS or HTML, whatever the formatting that you can see in the online mode, on the same formatting you can see in the offline mode also. So students, this is all about the advantages of HTML. So my next topic is the disadvantages of HTML. Thank you. Students, now see the disadvantages of CSS. The first disadvantage that I am going to discuss about the CSS is security theft. Security threats that you can say. It means that the CSS file that you have created, or the web page is created by the help of CSS, is not secure. It can be accessed by any users, any illegal users, and that can be modified at any times, because the CSS do not support the security feature of the web page. So the next disadvantage is about the lack of variables. You must know that CSS is not a programming language. CSS is not a programming language. It is a simple textual based language, a textual based command that is used to format the document. So CSS do not have any variable, constant, functions, inheritance, like these types of concept is not available in the CSS. So this is the lackness of the CSS. So it is come in the disadvantage of the CSS. The disadvantage of the CSS is restricted background per elements. It means that students, restricted background per element means whenever you want to use multiple color or multiple images to apply on any particular element. For example, you want to apply two images in the background of your paragraph. You cannot do that. Because it is supported only one color, only one images. It is supported by the only ones. Yeah, one images, one color is supported by the CSS. If you want to use multiple color, you cannot use. So it is become the disadvantage of CSS. The next disadvantage is inconsistent browser support. You must know that various web browsers are available in the market, just as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. It is a big challenge for the website developer. It becomes the big challenge for the web developer to check the compatibility of the code before launching, before the final launch of their website. It is supported by the browsers or not. That means it can be different effect. It can be shown the different effect of the format in the different web browsers. So it is a challenge for the web developer before launching the web page to check the capability of the web page on the web browser. So you can see that it is the disadvantages of CSS. If it is compatible of the different web browser, so user the programmer no need to do some extra work or some checking out work, whether it is displaying on this web page or not, this web browser or not. It has to be checked by the programmer, so it becomes the disadvantage of CSS. So students, this is all about my today's video, and we will discuss about the next topic in my next video. So keep learning through my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.